Hello, welcome to Food Basket. Today we're going to prepare sambar. We're going to prepare a version with plenty of vegetables. Let us see how to prepare sambar. Here I have taken a small piece of curry cucumber, 2 small carrots, 1 raw plantain, 1 drumstick, 1 small onion, 12 shallots, 2 green chillies and a few curry leaves. I have peeled the vegetables and washed them. Then I have taken a gooseberry sized piece of tamarind. I have soaked it in a little water. I have cut the cucumber, the carrots and the raw plantain into thick 1-inch long pieces. I have cut the drumstick into 2-inch long pieces. I have thinly sliced the onion. I have coarsely chopped the shallots. I have slit the green chilli. Then I have taken 3/4 cup Tuvar Dal using this cup. I have soaked it for half an hour, then washed them and taken. Let us transfer the Tuvar Dal to a pressure cooker. Let us add 1.5 cup water. Let us close the pressure cooker. Let us keep it on the flame. After the first whistle, let us reduce the flame. Let us leave it on the reduced flame for 3 minutes. Then let us turn off the gas. Let us heat a pan. Let us add 2 tablespoons oil. Let us add half teaspoon mustard seeds. The mustard seeds have spluttered. Let us add the chopped onion, shallots and green chilli. The onion is well sauteed now. Let us add a pinch of Asafoetida powder, a pinch of Fenugreek powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Let us add 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoon red chilli powder. Let us add the curry leaves. The masala is well fried now. Let us add the remaining vegetables. Let us add a little water. The vegetables should be submerged. Let us cover and cook. The pressure cooker has cooled. The dal is cooked. Every 3 to 4 minutes, let us open it and stir it. The vegetables are cooked now. Let us add the cooked dal. Let us add salt. The sambar has come to a good boil. Let us add the tamarind juice. The sambar has been boiling for 3 to 4 minutes now. This is sufficient. Let us turn off the gas. Sambar is now ready. Let us transfer it to a serving bowl. Hope you like the sambar preparation. Definitely try it out. Send me your feedback. Thank you. Come again. Goodbye.